Hi there, my name is Anna Starkova. I am an artist and art instructor. I offer art lessons for children and adults at my studio as well as online over Skype or Zoom. Recently, I have decided to record several videos so I could share with you my experience and some ideas. This video is about art materials and mostly about art project ideas for both adults and children. First, I wanted to talk about art materials. What do you have at home that can help you create great art? Do you have paints, like oil paints or watercolors in pens or tubes? Maybe you have fabric paints or acrylic paints with some brushes and canvases. Do you have markers? Or maybe you have watercolor or just color pencils, crayons or pastels. I'm sure you definitely have some paper, pen, or a pencil. Sometimes these are the only things that you need to create great art. Secondly, I wanted to share with you some ideas of what to draw to paint. There are a million of things around us that can inspire us, serve as an object or a model to portray. For example, for children, right now, do you have a working from home parent? That's right there, the perfect model sitting in front of computer, barely moving. Take that chance and draw a portrait of your parent. Then, what is there else around us? I will show you some examples of my work. So maybe houseplants or flowers in vases. How about your breakfast, or maybe a cup of tea or cup of coffee, maybe a glass of juice, milk, whatever you drink. Look in the refrigerator, maybe like some fruits. You can take your snack and draw your snack. Berries, vegetables, toys. Choose some toys to draw, to paint. Do you have pets? Cats, dogs, rabbits, fish, birds. Maybe swans or snakes. Did you take a hike or a walk in the woods recently? Maybe around the pond? That can also serve you as inspiration. Look through photographs from your recent trips. Maybe you made a trip for skiing somewhere. Paint a mountain, or maybe to the beach. Then you can paint a seascape. It will be a great reminder of your memories. How about a cityscape of your city? You can also look out, maybe do you have a garden? Check what's blooming there. You can do like a setup in the garden. You can also paint your house from the outside or a neighbor's house. Maybe a room in your house, your room or any other room. Do you have a sibling? Or maybe a best friend? You can draw or paint them over video chat or from a photograph. If you are into drawing human poses, you can look for magazines like these. They offer a lot of different poses that can inspire and help you with improving drawing. Drapery also. You can take your scarf or any towel, put it and try to draw folds. It greatly helps with drawing something like clothing. You can also try and draw hands, feet. Do you have a scooter or a bike? Maybe you can draw your breakfast or dinner or cocktail or mocktail, a butterfly, a sea creature. You can also choose to paint an abstract. It can be color-filled abstract or patterns like circles, squares, triangles, anything you like, maybe you like floral patterns. And here are the ideas for larger projects that will take you much more effort and at least several days to complete, but can be a great gift for your loved ones. For example, you can illustrate a cookbook or favorite recipe book. Like, for example, these are photographs from internet. Like, you can illustrate the ingredients, how to cook your meal, or you can just paint the cooked dish. That's actually on my to-do list for my grandmother. Then you can illustrate a menu. You can do something like a catalog of leaves, plants. How about animals? Like, create a picture book of African animals or animals of any other area. Birds of like New England, for example. How about sea creatures? Then maybe you love like vehicles, construction vehicles. You can take like a encyclopedia and look through all different kind of pictures and recreate them. Then if you're into fashion, create your own models of clothing and put them all in a book. You will have your own fashion magazine. How about yoga poses? Yoga poses picture book for someone who loves yoga. Great idea. How about catalog of your toys? Take all the toys that you love and create a picture book of your favorite toys. Are you into space, rockets? Then draw or paint nebulas, planets. I did this painting several years ago. I love space. So you can add a lot of interesting information to those books, like interesting facts about animals or plants, cooking instructions and ingredients, how to do the exercise for yoga poses, for example, and you can add some history to like, for example, astronomy book. Personally, I haven't completed a lot of those projects, but they were on my to-do list for a very long time, so I will definitely start with the cookbook for my grandmother, as I said. And I will record several instructional videos shortly. And in the meantime, you can reach me out and for individual art lessons online over Skype or Zoom. And I hope that you stay safe and healthy, and I will see you soon.